morning students. Welcome to all. Dear students, we have completed our lesson 3 noun numbers. In today's lecture, we will learn a new lesson chapter 4 articles. So there are two types of articles. The first one is indefinite article and the second one is definite article. Okay. Indefinite article contains article a and an, and definite article contains article the. So today in our class we will be learning about indefinite article. We will be learning about indefinite article. So words such as a, an and the. See, words such as a, an and the are known as articles. Okay, an article always comes before the noun in a sentence. An article always comes before the noun in a sentence. So articles are of two types. Okay, this is the definition of article, that words such as a, an and the are known as articles. An article always comes before the noun in a sentence. Articles are of two types. As I told you, there are two types. The first one is indefinite article that contains a and the second one is definite article the. So indefinite article today we will be going through. So indefinite article. An indefinite article modifies any common noun in its singular form. Okay, it modifies any common noun in its singular form. For the example we have taken, okay, modifies in your singular form. The example, if we take a cow, okay, an egg, okay, in its singular form. So here we have taken an egg, that means we are talking about one single egg. A cow, that means we are talking about a single cow. Okay, we use a and an. Where we use, this was the definition of indefinite article. We use a and an before countable nouns, as I told you. See, we were talking about a single cow and a single egg. We use a and an before countable nouns in a singular form. Example, a student, a flower and an apple. Okay, in a singular form. Indefinite article is used for the singular form. The second point is to define or describe a person or an object. To define, okay, to specify or describe a person or an object. For the example, an engineer, okay, to define or describe a person. A mobile phone, person or thing. The second point is when a proper noun is used as a common noun. Okay, when we use again indefinite article, when a proper noun is used as a common noun. The example, we need Gandhi to stop violence in India now. And dear students, we know Gandhi is a proper noun. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so it is a proper noun, but when a proper noun is used as a common noun, so here it is used as a common noun, so here we have used article a. So we need a Gandhi to stop violence in India now. The next point is in some expressions that contain idioms. Okay, in some expression that contain idioms. Okay, for the example, Mukul was in a hurry. So in a hurry is an idiom. Okay, in a hurry is an idiom. The words such as a, an and the are known as articles, and an article always comes before the noun in a sentence. There are two types of article, indefinite article and definite article. It is always used before the common singular noun. Secondly, it is used to define or describe a person or an object. Third, when a proper noun is used as a common noun in a sentence and some expression that contains. Now let's go through the other points where we do not use article a and an. So these are the 3 points we'll go through where we do not use article a and an. And dear students, we have 26 alphabets in English language. In these 26 alphabets, there are divided into vowels and consonants. Okay, so there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. So which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels, and the rest which are left alphabet, they are known as consonants. Okay, they are known as consonants. Okay, so let's go through the where we do not use article a and an. Okay, so before countable nouns, okay, we do not use before countable nouns in their plural forms. In their plural forms, and before uncountable nouns, because a and n signify one. One means only one thing and one person only it signifies. So before countable nouns in their plural forms and uncountable nouns, because a and n signify only one person and one thing. So here we have taken an example of it. I have chairs in my study. So chairs is a plural form. So here we do not use article a. We can't write the sentence like that. I have a chairs in my room. That is the wrong way of sentence. Okay, this is the right way of sentence. Before an adjective not followed by a noun. So before an adjective not followed by a noun. So he is brilliant. Now the word brilliant qualifies the quality of a person. Okay, it is an adjective. Sorry, it is an adjective. So before an adjective not followed by a noun. So this is a right sentence. But if we say or if we write like this, he is a brilliant, then that is a wrong sentence. This is the way the sentence is a right way to write. The next is when the noun is preceded by another determiner. Okay, this is a poem of mine. So this is the way to write correctly, but this way it is wrong. So this is a my poem, that is a wrong. The first sentence is the correct sentence. That is the way we write the sentence. So these are the 3 points where we use article, where we do not use article a and an. And today we are speaking about only indefinite article. And which are the indefinite article? A and n both are the indefinite article. Article n is used before vowels and article a is used before consonants. Article a is used before consonants. So let's go through this exercise to understand more where to use indefinite articles. Okay, so the first one is we have to fill the blanks with the appropriate articles, and where no article is required we need to put cross. So this is dash ostrich. Now O, just now I told you there are 5 vowels. Which are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. These are the 5 vowels, and among these, ostrich begins with the O. So we use here article N. I just finished reading dash book. Now I told you about the consonants too. So which are the consonants? Other 21. Okay, so we is a consonant, so we use here article A. The students need help with the shifting furniture. Now furniture itself is a plural noun, so we do not require any article here. The students need help with the shifting furniture. We need to take the patient to dash hospital. H, again consonants, so we use A. Rima wants dash boiled egg for breakfast. Rima wants a boiled egg for breakfast. Please bring me. U is a vowel, so we use article N. Rahul is, just now I told you about the adjective. Okay, so here we do not use A, we use cross. Rahul is naughty. Dia's elder sister is studying in dash university in the US. Here U is there, but some vowels have consonant sound. Dear students, listen to me carefully. Some consonants have a vowel sound. So before this vowel we use indefinite article A, and some words are there which begin with the consonants but they have a vowel sound. So we use article A. Actually here U is a vowel, but it is the pronunciation begins with a consonant sound. So here we are going to use indefinite article A. I need to buy meat. So here we do not require any article. I need to buy meat. So dear students, you must be confused little bit. Once again I remind you, there are some vowels, they have consonant sound. So we use indefinite article A. But some consonants have a vowel sound. For the example, we write honest. Okay, though H is in consonants, but we begin our word with the O. O is a vowel. So before this we use article N. So this is the same way. Though it is a vowel, it sounds like consonants. So we use article N. Okay. So dear students, these are the points and this exercise that you have to complete in your notebook. Further points which we learned about indefinite article also you have to write down in your textbook. Have a good day and thank you.